Next we are going to the third selection statement, that is if elif. The if elif statement allows you to check multiple expressions. In both simple if and if else, we were evaluating only a single condition, and according to the result of the expression, the statements were executed. But here in if elif, we can check multiple expressions for true and execute a block of code. We can evaluate multiple conditions, and as soon as one of the conditions evaluate to true, a set of statement will be executed. The syntax is like this: if condition, then after that colon is there, statement 1. Next elif condition 2 colon statement 2, statement block 2. Elif condition 3 statement block 3, and like that we can evaluate as many as condition we need. And in the last there is an optional else statement. This else statement is optional. If we don't need this else part, we can omit this else part, and statements needed in the else part can be also given. Then after completing the if block, the statement after the if elif can be given. All the columns are must. The flowchart for this if elif statement is like this. Test expression will be evaluated, the condition will be evaluated. If the condition is true, statement 1 will be executed and go to the statement just below the if elif. And if the condition evaluates to false, then next expression will be evaluated, and if the condition is true, statement 2 followed by statement below will be executed. And if the second condition is also false, the third condition will be evaluated. If the third condition is true, statement 3 will be executed and statement below if elif will be executed. If all the condition evaluates to false, if condition 1, 2 and 3 evaluates to false, body of else will be executed followed by statements below if elif. This is the flowchart for if elif statement. All the three syntax of simple if else and if elif is given. Here we are evaluating a single condition and the statement block is executed, and after that statement outside if is executed. In the second conditional statement, condition is evaluated, statement block 1 is executed if the condition is true, otherwise statement block 2 is executed, and after that statements outside if else is executed. And third one, if elif, multiple conditions are evaluated. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, multiple conditions can be evaluated, and according to the evaluation of the condition, either of statement block 1, 2 or 3 or statement in the else part is executed. Then for one example for if elif, in this program we have to read an age of a person. Read the age of a person and check whether the age is greater than or equal to 18. So I'm going statement by statement. First we have to read the age, input age. Then after that I have to check a condition whether the age is greater than or equal to 18. The statement is if age greater than or equal to 18, then the statement to be displayed is in college. Print in college is displayed. And if the condition is false, I have to again check the second condition, age greater than or equal to 5. Then for that we have to use elif. Elif is a combination of else if. Elif, second condition is provided, age greater than or equal to 5. The statement is in school, so I have to print the statement, print in school. If the condition is false, then no more conditions are there, so we can use the else part, else stay home. Then after that done is displayed here. After executing the truth part, that is in college, the program control is passed to this done part, and also after executing the in school part, the program control is passed to done, and here also last done is executed. So this done should be outside the if block, so this done should be written here without indenting. Print done should be written. This is the program for this flowchart. The sample output is also given. If the age inputting is 22 greater than 8 greater than or equal to 18, the condition is true. So this in college will be displayed, and after that done also will be displayed. None of the conditions are evaluated again. If one of the condition is evaluated true, all other statements are skipped in this block. And in the second output, if the age inputted is 13, here the condition is evaluated to false. 13 greater than 18. 13 greater than 18 is false. So next condition will be evaluated 13 greater than or equal to 5. Here the condition is evaluated to true. So this statement in school will be executed, and after that done also will be executed. If the age inputting is 3, both the condition will be false and the else part will be executed, and stay home and done will be displayed. Some points to remember about if-elif statement. The number of elif is dependent on the number of conditions to be checked. If we have to check 5 conditions, then there should be one if followed by 4 elif statement. If the first condition is false, then the next condition is checked, and so on. The second condition is evaluated only if the first condition is false. The third condition will be evaluated only if the first 2 conditions are false. If one of the condition is true, then statement corresponding to the intended block executed and the if statement terminates. If none is true, then else block gets executed if provided. The else block gets executed if none of the conditions evaluate to true. If more than one condition is true, then only first true option block gets executed. For example, if there are 6 conditions to be evaluated, the first condition and third condition may be true. In some case, the first condition and third condition may be true. If the first condition is evaluated true, none of the conditions below that will be evaluated. So only the first true option block gets executed. 3 will be discarded here in this case. Then one output question, age equal to 27 if age greater than 60. The value of age is 27, so the condition will be evaluated as 27 greater than or equal to 60. 27 greater than or equal to 60 is false, so this will not be executed. So next condition is going to be checked. 18 less than or equal to age less than 60. This is a method to check range conditions where we are checking whether the age is between 18 and 60. So here the age is 27. So 27 is between 18 and 60. So the condition is evaluated true. So this statement will be executed and no discount will be the output. Some programs using if-elif. Write a program to display the largest of 3 numbers. In this program, we have to input 3 numbers. Num1 is equal to int input enter first number. Num2 is equal to int input enter second number. Num3 equal int input enter third number. We are inputting 3 numbers. First, we have to check whether num1 is greater. For that, we are using if num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3. We are checking whether num1 is greater than num2 and num3. If both the conditions are true, if num1 is greater than num2 and num3, the output should be print num1 is the largest. Then in the second elif part, we have to check whether num2 is the greatest number. For that, we are using the statement elif num2 is greater than num3. So the output will be num2 is the largest. If both of the previous condition is false, then we can make sure that num3 is the largest number. So in the else part, we are writing print num3 is the largest number. I will show the output of this program. I am going to run this program. Enter the first number. I am inputting as 10 and second number as 20 and third number as 30. Here 30 is the largest number. Each conditions will be evaluated. The next time giving the numbers as 50, 40 and 10. Here the first number num1 is the largest number, so 50 will be the output. Next I am giving the input as 50, 60 and 10. Here the second I am inputting the second number as the largest number, num2 as the largest number. So 60 is the largest number. The condition will be evaluated. Two conditions will be evaluated, and if both the conditions are false, the else part will be executed. Then next you have to do this program to find the smallest of three numbers. Just change the operators and you have to write this program, find smallest of three numbers. Try it yourself. The next program is to check whether entered character is alphabet, digit or a special character. For this we have to enter a character. ch equal input, please enter a character. First we have to check whether it is an alphabet. We know that alphabets are between small letter A to Z and then capital A to Z. If the entered character is between ch greater than or equal to A, greater than or equal to A means capital small letter A B C D, and less than or equal to Z means less than Z, that is X Y Z. So if the character is between A to Z, or then we have to check whether it is a capital letter also. For that we are checking it as capital A and capital Z. Here we are checking whether it is a capital character, and if the condition is true, then we can display the output as the given character ch is an alphabet. Here print function is accepting three parameters, the given character, then after that the variable ch. So the value of that ch will be displayed here is an alphabet. Then next we have to check whether it is a digit. Digits are between 0 to 9. Only a single character, we have to input only a single character. So the second condition is evaluating as whether the number is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 9. Between 0 and 9 the output will be print the given character ch is a digit. If both the conditions are false, then we can display the output as the given character is a special character. I will run the program and show you the output. So in the first run I have checked whether it is an alphabet. So this statement will be evaluated to true. So the given character is an alphabet. And in the second run I have inputted a dollar. So the else part will be executed and the output will be the given character ch is a special character. And in the third run I have inputted a value as 6. So the condition will be evaluated to true here and the output will be the given character 6 is a digit. Next program 9. In this program we have to accept two numbers and an arithmetic operator and perform the required operation. So the user will enter two numbers and an arithmetic operator. For example, the inputted number is 25 and 2, and if the operator is asterisk, then 25 into 2, 50 should be displayed. So according to the wish of the user, the required operation is to be performed. The program is, first we are accepting n1 and n2 using the input function, and then we have to accept the operator also. If the entered operator is plus, the sum of the numbers will be displayed as sum is equal to n1 plus n2, and elif op equal to minus, difference equal n1 minus n2 will be displayed. And as the third condition, the star operator, multiplication operator is checked and the product will be displayed as n1 into n2. And next, if the operator is slash, entered operator is slash, quotient equal n1 by n2 will be displayed, and if the operator is modulus, the remainder will be displayed as n1 modulus n2. And if any other operator other than this plus, minus, star, slash and modulus is entered, an error message enter valid operator will be displayed. I will run and show you the program. Enter the first number I am inputting as 50 and the second number as 20, and I am entering the operator as plus. The output sum is equal to 70 will be displayed. In the second run I am inputting the number as 20 and 2 and the arithmetic operator as slash. The output will be 10.0. And next I am inputting an invalid operator number 80 and 30, and I am inputting invalid operator at the rate, the output message enter valid operator will be displayed. Okay, next program. In this program we have to calculate the percentage and grade of the students. This is a grade calculator in which mark in 5 subject is accepted. We have to find out the total percentage and grade of the students. The grade is calculated according to the criteria given. If the percentage range is greater than 85, grade is A. If it is between 70 and 85, the grade is B. 50 to 70, grade C. 33 to 50, grade D. And less than 33, the grade is E. Let us go to the program. First, we have to enter the mark in 5 subjects. I am displaying a common output, enter mark obtained in 5 subjects, and I am giving the display message as English, and whatever mark we are inputting will be stored in the mark 1. Like that, we are accepting the mark of physics or economics, then chemistry or accountancy, bio or BS, then IP. So these 5 marks will be stored in the corresponding variables mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4 and mark 5. After inputting the marks, we have to calculate the total marks, total equal mark 1 plus mark 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then after that we have to calculate the percentage. Percentage is calculated as total by 5. This is the first part of the program, to find the total and percentage of the student. After that, we have to calculate the grade. Condition to calculate the grade is given in the question. And first condition is if the percentage is greater than 85. We have to use if elif block. First condition is if percentage greater than 85, the grade given is A. So I am assigning the grade A to the variable grade. Next we have to check whether it is between 70 and 85. Already we have checked the percentage greater than 85. So we have to check only the marks in between 70 and 85. We can give the condition as elif percentage greater than or equal to 70, grade equal to B. The next condition, elif percentage greater than 50, grade equal to C. Next, percentage greater than or equal to 33, grade equal to D, and else grade equal to E. So all these 5 conditions given is evaluated using the if elif block. Then after that we have to display the total percentage and grade we have calculated using this program. So we are going to display the total mark, print total mark total, then after that percentage is displayed, and after that grade is being displayed. The whole program is like this. First we have to enter mark in 5 subjects, then total and percentage is calculated. After that, according to the condition, we have to calculate the grade, then display all the calculations, then display the values of the corresponding variables. Then sample outputs are given. Enter marks obtained in 5 subjects. English I am inputting it as 95, physics 89, chemistry or accountancy 93, bio or BS 92, IP 96. I am inputting the mark for different subjects, and total and percentage is being calculated automatically, and grade is also calculated according to the conditions given. Since the percentage is greater than 85, the grade is calculated as A grade. Then in the second output, the total mark is calculated as 354 and percentage is 70.8. Since it is less than 85, the grade is B. Then in the third output, the percentage calculated is 43.6. So the grade is D. The next program, this you have to do it to yourself. Here the percentage is accepted. No need to input subject wise mark, and according to your percentage you have to display a message to the user as excellent performance. If it is 80, very good performance, greater than 60, 70, good performance, greater than 60, average performance, and else poor performance. So we have to use if elif block and display the message accordingly by checking the percentage mark. Try this program yourself. Thank you.